Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy ton on Tonkeeper. So open up your Tonkeeper, and before we dive into, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Tonkeeper, to buy your ton, it's pretty much simple. You can go ahead and deposit it from some other wallet, or you can just go ahead and click buy and sell option. From here, you will see an option to buy ton, and you will see all of these 7 options. So you can instantly buy it with no KYC using bank, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or SEPA with Mercurio. Now crypto would be to credit with credit card, MoonPay also credit card. Changelly is a swap option. Transact, buy ton with cards or bank transfers instantly, and some other options. So let's, for example, choose Mercurio, and here you will see your options. So you can pay in any of the currencies from here. So there's a lot of those. You can choose the best fit for you, and you're gonna enter how much you want to go ahead and pay. For example, 100 USD would get you 17 tons. There are all fees included. The fees are $5.49, and that's pretty much it. After that, you just click buy option, and from here you're gonna choose an option to either use Apple Pay, credit or debit card, and continue. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.